Hey everybody, Resto-Rob here. I'm coming at you with a tool haul. Um, this tool haul cost me 14 bucks, $3 at one place and 11 at the other. So sit back, relax, and check out the things I have found. A Pencraft Saber Saw, JCPenney company. Um, Aluminum body. Still has a bit in it, but you can see it's been in the dirt. Cord has seen better days. I mean, it does work. The cord will need to be replaced. So I did plug it in. And it does work. Next thing we found was this ward. Yeah, that's what I paid for it. Drill. So let's plug this in and see if this works. We do have a good cord-ish. So that does sound good, so that's a winner. Kawasaki 14 by 17, made Japan. This quarter-inch drive sockets, and here's a part number on it. I suspect it possibly could be Craftsman. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, it was $1. Right here, this is an Armstrong flat blade screwdriver. We have a Vermont American, the Claw Phillips blade. Here we got the number 4 brace bit, or bit for brace, flat blade, and it is marked Craftsman. Next up is this Hams. Pour yourself some freshness. Have yourself a Hams. Bursting with freshness. Hams beer. We got this little cutter for Big Vic. You know how he likes these, but I got a plan for this one before he gets it. This, I want to say William W.M. Johnson Inc. Leather hole punch. This will be a good restoration video. What do you think? A really drop forged, no name, 10-inch vintage pipe wrench. This will be a good project as well. I don't know what that turd is. I wonder if this was in a fire and that was hanging on a nail. But the absolute star buy of the day is this Made in England footprint wrench. It's stamped $6.95. did clean it up a little bit so I could see the markings. I'm not sure, but this could be an original screw. But Nash and anybody else over in the England area, the UK, let me know what you think. So yeah, this haul, the Pencraft Saber Saw or Jigsaw was $3, and the rest of the lot was $11. So that's my $14 tool haul. Hey everybody, hopefully you enjoyed that tool haul. That Pencraft came from a little junk store, and I paid $3 for that one. So I'm going to send it off to a friend of the channel for him to do a proper restoration. And the rest of the stuff came from the Habitat for Humanity in Canyon City, Colorado. And I can't believe I found that footprint wrench. Wow, that was a find. So just kind of cool to find something like that. And hopefully the rest of the stuff is pretty cool. Anybody have any favorites? And yeah, I got some good stuff to restore coming up. So as always, stay safe, and we'll check you later.